if you're using Lovable.dev on the free plan. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to unlock pro features without paying upfront. No hacks, no extensions, just a clean upgrade.
Quick tip before we go further. If you don't have an account yet, use the sign up link in the video description. Creating your account from there gives you an extra 10 credits right away.
I'm logged into Lovable, and as you can see, this is just a normal free account. Nothing special, nothing unlocked. In the left sidebar, go into Account Settings and then open Plan and Credits. This is where the upgrade options live. I'm opening Upgrade on the Pro plan. And before you panic, no, we're not paying anything yet. This is the step where most people either quit or just close the tab. You see the price and assume that's it, but don't click Pay yet. Look for the promotion code option. Enter the code you see on screen and apply it. And just like that, the total drops to 0. No payment taken at this stage. Once you complete filling up the payment details, either Apple Pay, Amazon Pay, or credit card, Pro gets activated. You'll have full access for 2 months, and you'll receive 100 credits every month during that period. One important thing, if you don't plan to continue, make sure you cancel before the 2 months end. Otherwise, it will renew automatically.
If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. Also comment if it worked. I share practical tool tips like this that actually save time and money. Hurry up, sign up now from the description before the offer ends.